channel, we talk a lot about how to take care of your skin externally, DIY, skincare products, and things like that. But none of those things are going to help you if you're not eating the right things. So today I'll be talking about some very specific, like I have picked out some of the most specific food items which I also include in my diet. If you want, you can actually pause this video, get a notepad or get your phone and actually take down the notes, because trust me, it will come in very handy. I'll not be talking about things like drink lots of water. I mean, everyone knows that you need to drink lots of water, it's important. But apart from that, what are the very specific things that you need to start consuming if you want your skin to glow, if you want your skin to be better? Well, just keep watching this video to find out. So first we're going to talk about vitamin C, and the reason why I'm specifically going to talk about amla or Indian gooseberries, because amla is so rich in vitamin C. So either every morning you can have a small glass of amla juice, don't have too much of it. One small glass of amla juice, like a short glass of amla juice. You can start having amla ka murabba, amla achar. There's so many ways to actually consume amla. And why vitamin C? Well, let me tell you all the benefits of vitamin C. Not all, it actually has a lot of benefits, just the main benefits, especially for your skin. Number one, amla actually helps in boosting collagen production. It helps in dealing with skin aging issues. It gives you a glowing skin, and most importantly, vitamin C also has antioxidant properties. The first thing you need to put on your notepad is vitamin C. Start consuming more vitamin C for better skin. Next, we're going to talk about vitamin E. Okay, so we just talked about vitamin C. Now we're going to talk about vitamin E. Now you might have seen me use vitamin E capsules in my DIYs for applying externally. So applying vitamin E externally has a lot of benefits. I'm not going to deny that. But when you consume it internally, even that has a lot of benefits. So again, I just touch the tip of the iceberg. If I list down all the benefits, this video will become very long. So I'll just talk about the most important and very specific to skin benefits here, okay? Now you might have seen me use vitamin E capsules in my DIY videos because they're very good when you apply vitamin E externally. But with most of those vitamin E capsules that you actually get in the market, you can't consume it because they have a very thick synthetic layering outside. So it's not recommended to be consumed internally. What you can do is, so this is the vitamin E capsule which I am using because it's 100% natural, plant-based. It's very plant-based and it's very clean. This one is from Oziva. So this is the Oziva plant-based vitamin E, which also contains argan oil, aloe vera, sunflower oil, and it's completely natural, completely plant-based. It's designed to give you glowing skin and stronger hair, and it has 2 times absorption as compared to the regular vitamin E capsules that you get in the market. So it absorbs very well, very quickly into the body, and I'll quickly tell you about the benefits of vitamin E and why it's really important when you want your skin to be better. So this capsule helps in improving skin's natural flow, keep the skin hydrated, and also increases the hair strength. It also helps in reducing dull skin problems and giving a natural glowing skin, because it can fight free radicals on the skin, which are basically a result of stressors, right? Like unprotected sun damage, air pollution, environmental changes, etc. This can actually protect your skin from all of these problems. So this is something which you can consume once a day. I usually have it like either with lunch or dinner, usually with dinner actually. And this can be consumed by men also. So men, women over the age of 18 can totally consume it. I'll put the link for this product in the description box below if you want to check with your nutritionist, if you want to check it out. It's actually a very clean light supplement because it's plant-based, so it's very easy on the body. And you know, vitamin E, by the way, this capsule, not just internally, you can also use it externally. Like these capsules, they have dual benefits. If you want, you can consume it by mouth, or if you want, you can extract the oil, use it as it is, or mix it with your DIYs and apply it on your hair and skin as well. So yeah, that is about vitamin E. I personally think that vitamin E is one of those things that is so important when you want your skin to heal, repair itself, deal with damage, and just make your skin glow and happy and healthy. It is such an important thing to include in your regular routine. Next, we're going to talk about omega-3. Again, a very specific nutrient for your skin health and to make your skin better. So where can you find omega-3? You can find omega-3 in fish oils. I'm a vegetarian, so I'll give you a vegetarian option instead. You can also consume flax seeds, okay? Flax seeds or flaxseed oils, those are like very easily available in the market. And what does omega-3 really do? Again, it has a lot of benefits, but I'll just talk about a few very important benefits of omega-3, especially for your skin. Now, omega-3 is great for for dealing with damage caused by sun radiation. Okay, so any sun damage which has been making your skin bad, making your skin look dull, this is something which can help you tremendously. And there has been extensive research on omega-3 and how omega-3 really impacts your skin. One of the research studies, I'll see if I can find the link to that study and put it in the description box below along with the product links which I just shared and talked about. There has been a research which has actually proven that after 12 weeks of consuming omega-3, of consuming flax seeds especially, women have shown improved hydration and improved skin texture in just 12 weeks of consuming it regularly. Omega-3 is also really good for your brain health, for your mental health, especially as you age. Omega-3 helps your brain also tremendously. So yes, the next thing to note down if you're taking down notes is omega-3, which you can get in flax seeds, or if you're non-vegetarian, you can look for specific types of fishes and fish oils or capsules with omega-3. Even that can help you tremendously. Another ingredient that you must absolutely start including in your daily routine, not just for your skin but also for your health, is ginger. Now, I'm sure a lot of you have already heard about all the fantastic benefits of ginger when you consume it for your health, for your body. It's really good for your immunity also. A lot of times people, when they fall sick, when they're having cough and cold, ginger is given to them. Ginger toffees are given to them, right? So ginger has a lot of benefits. Why? Because ginger contains something known as gingerol. What does gingerol do? Well, let me tell you, gingerol is absolutely fantastic for dealing with inflammation. Okay, so if you have inflammation on your skin, if you have spots, if you have pigmentation, if you have sun-related damage, again, if you have skin aging issues, ginger is something which can help prevent that and also reverse that beautifully. Now, of course, I'm not saying that start consuming too much of ginger because that's not good for you, but start including ginger in your, for example, if you tend to have tea very regularly, you can just add a little bit of ginger in your tea regularly, right? You can use ginger for certain vegetables, for making masala and all those things. So ginger is something which can be used like that as well. So start including ginger in your daily diet, in your daily routine, because it will help your skin beautifully and also great for your health overall. And last but not the least, guys, I have to talk about spinach. It is such an amazing superfood. Now, I know a lot of you don't like spinach. A lot of people don't like spinach. Ideally, you should be having 3 to 5 servings of green vegetables every single day. So if you can have it raw, nothing like it. Otherwise, you can actually start having green supplements as well. I'll put the link in the description box below where I talked about green supplements and what I like to consume, how I like to consume it. But if you want to have spinach raw, here's a very, very nice tip. I'll just quickly tell you how to do this, okay? Just take a bit of ginger, little bit of ginger. To that, add lots of spinach. Sorry guys, I'm not a food blogger, so I really can't show you how I make it. I'm very bad at preparing my food actually. A little bit of ginger, lots of spinach, and you can just probably slice half a tomato or 1 tomato and just mix it all up and drink it up. Surprisingly, it doesn't taste bad at all. It actually tastes quite okay, You'll not feel like killing yourself after having it. So that's another great way of having green leafy vegetables, especially spinach. So start having that, guys. Not only is it great for your health, but it's also great for your skin. And you need the right amount of nutrition. You need the right balance of nutrition overall for your skin to look good. See, how your skin is looking, how your hair is behaving is also a reflection of your overall health. This is what we need to understand. Anybody who's weak or not feeling well inside cannot have good looking skin. If you want to have skin where you don't need to wear too much of foundation or concealers every single day, if you want to have skin which is not constantly breaking out, you need to fix your internal health issues first. So yes guys, those are all the things I want to talk about today. Just a quick recap: vitamin C, which can be usually taken through amla or Indian gooseberry like we call it. Number 2 is vitamin E, which is easily taken in form of capsules. That's a very good way of absorbing it very quickly into your body. Then we have flax seeds for omega-3. Then we have ginger, which contains gingerol. And finally we have spinach, or if you don't want spinach, then any nice green leafy vegetable, but make sure you have lots of it. So guys, those are all the things that I wanted to quickly talk about today. These are the very specific ingredients and food items that I have started including in my diet regularly. And I have seen a tremendous difference, like in my hair, in my skin, in my overall health. I have seen a difference. It's very important to consume the right things, right? So yes guys, that's all I want to share in today's video. I'll put all the links in the description box below with all the reference links, the Oziva vitamin E supplement link and everything in the description box below if you want to check it out. And yes guys, if you found this video useful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Superpower Style for more. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.